Number 10, we're just going to get the equations. So there should be 3 equations that we can get from these 3 points that eventually we could solve to write the standard form equation, but we're not actually going to go all the way there. So remember the standard form equation, change colors please. Okay, standard form equation is f of x or y, whatever, equals ax squared plus bx plus c, right? Okay, so notice they gave us 3 points, right? So we're going to plug in each of these points into that equation, and that's going to give me 3 equations. So what I like to do is just label them each just to keep them together, like x1, x2, I mean x1, y1. Wow, I don't know how to write a y. x1, y1, x2, y2. This just lets me know to keep it together. And then x3, y3. All right, so now I'm going to use these. So we're going to start with the first pair, 0, 3, right? And we just plug the 0 and the 3 into our equation. So where does the 3 go? It goes on the 3 is the y value, right? Where's the y in my equation? The f of x. So I'm going to put 3, and then it's equals, right? Equals a times 0, because x is your 0. A times 0 squared, do not forget the squared, plus b times 0 plus c. And then we want to simplify this. Okay, but 0 times anything is what? So it's just gone, right? So in this case, the a would be gone because it's multiplied by 0. The b would also be 0, right? So in this case, my first equation is going to be 3 equals c. That's right. So now you see we've taken care of 1 point, right? We're done with that one. We're going to do the same thing with the other 2 equations. So can somebody tell me another one of my equations? 3 equals a times negative 1 squared. Yeah, do not forget the square. That's very important, especially for the second one. Plus b times negative 1 plus c, right? So we need to simplify this, okay? Now look at this first term right here. What do we do here first? Square the negative 1. What's negative 1 squared? It's just 1. So this is going to be 3 equals just 1a, right? But that's just a. So 1a or a. What is b times negative 1? Negative 1b or just negative b. So negative 1b and then plus c at the end. And you probably don't want to write the 1s because that's just sloppy, so just take the 1s off because it doesn't matter. So your next equation is 3 equals a minus b plus c. So now we just need one more equation, right? And so can somebody tell me what would my third equation be?
Wait, is that our answer for that one?
So here, let me highlight it. So here's 1, right? Here's another one because we just took care of another point, and now we have one more point to use. So what is my third equation going to be? Negative 13 equals a times, where's my color? 1 squared plus b times 1 plus c. All right, we need to simplify this, but what's 1 squared? It's just 1. So this is going to be negative 13 equals, what's 1 squared times a? It's just a, right? It's just a. Then plus b plus c. And there's your third equation, and that's all you had to do on the test. They just wanted these 3 equations. So you use each point to make yourself an equation. And that's it.